Hey everyone, welcome to BitcoinVerse. Here, you'll learn Bitcoin the easy and fun way. No complicated words, no boring lectures, just simple and clear explanations. So, what's Bitcoin? Most people think it's just an investment. But in reality, it's much more. Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital money. No banks, no governments. Transactions are direct, transparent, and secure. And the amazing part? There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Here on BitcoinVerse, we'll talk about wallets and how to secure them, common scams you must avoid, how Bitcoin transactions really work, and why Bitcoin might be the future of money. So if you want to learn Bitcoin the simple way, hit that subscribe button. This is just the beginning. Welcome to BitcoinVerse.